As a trader, you're gonna spend, this is actually one thing I got from Peter Brandt on his blog. He explained it really nicely. I never thought about it before, but even the most successful traders, investors, are gonna be in a drawdown most of the time. Like even this year, even though I'm up at least 500%, I haven't checked it exactly, but it could be 600-700, maybe not 700, it could be 600%. I've spent at least half of the year in a drawdown, at least. So expecting to be like peak equity all the time, it's just not gonna happen. You're gonna spend most of your time in a drawdown, even on a really good year. That's just how it works. You just need to realize it, and you need to accept it. And even look at something like Amazon, which is one of the most amazing stocks, which is one of the best stocks like ever, history of the world. It's up what? 200,000% since the IPO. 200,000%. Now look at the amount of time it's been in a drawdown. Okay, it was in a drawdown here. Wait, why can't I see? Yeah, okay, there was in a drawdown. Look at this thing. Look at this. It was in a drawdown for what? 10 years, right? So here was a drawdown for a few months. Here was in a drawdown for 10 years. Here it was in a drawdown for about a year, another year, another maybe year, maybe a bit longer. I don't know. This is like what, 2 years? So since '97, that's 23 years. So here was what, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 15 years. So out of the 23 years it's been public, it was in a drawdown for 15 years. Look at Netflix, same thing here. This one I actually showed you guys. Like even if you start counting from here, at the lows from 2012, it's been pretty much straight up. But even if you start counting from there, the stock is up, what, 6,500 or 7,000, well, yeah, 6,500%. It was in a drawdown here for about, what, a year? Another year, and here it was about a year and a half. So 1, 2, 3.5 years out of, let's say, late 2012 to late, so 8 years. Out of 8 years, it was been in a drawdown almost half of the time. And this is an extreme example. I'm cherry picking from the lows here, from after the drawdown before that. So, you know, nothing goes straight up. You're going to be spending, and these are just, you know, examples of stocks, but this is what happens no matter what, if you're an investor or a trader or whatever. Being in a drawdown is the normal. It's not an anomaly, it's normal. Now the question is, how big of a drawdown are you going to be in? Obviously you should, like I try to limit my drawdowns to 10-15%, but you know, sometimes they become more severe than that. I think I've had 2 30% drawdowns this year, 25-30. So drawdowns, you know, it's the nature of the game. If you want to have big returns, you are going to have drawdowns. Because if you don't have drawdowns, means you don't take any risk. And if you don't take any risk, you won't have any returns. Most of my drawdowns is less than 15%. Exactly. If you have great returns, you don't have any drawdowns, you're made up.